Hello everybody, it's Glenda with Fralins and Friends. Tonight I'm going to do a watercolor technique that I saw on YouTube today. One of those that shares how they do things. And so I'm going to try it. It's called Wet on Damp. Sometimes I just have to turn it. Okay, I'm going to do a gift box. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it red. Yeah, that's just damp. Okay, I think that's going to be good for the damp. It's just damp, that's all. So now I'm going to do wet. So I'm going to have to get something really wet here. A lot of water in there. I don't want it to splatter, but I do want it to... Okay. Give this a shot. I'm going to do one of those, at least one of those magnet, canvas on magnet for my family for Christmas. So I'm going to put this stuff away and I'll be back. A lot of times canvases are a little too rough, and this has got a magnet on the back of it. Oh. Looks like I got a little bit of paint there too. Anyway, so I sanded it just a little bit, and then I put a prime coat of white on there. What I'm going to do now, my attempt will be to make a green in that territory parrot. I'm going to start out with that chrome green. This will be for one of the little ones, one of the kids. And I found out that pretty much all the families are going to get here this year. Okay. You don't want to go too far with that. At least not right now. I'm going to tone the green down a bit. I'm going to go under this. I'm back on my acrylic paints, by the way. Okay. I don't want to put him in a cage. I want to just put him on a limb. Okay. Now to make him a little more Christmassy, you'll let me get by with a bow on there, won't you? Let's try again on a different one with a different colored parrot. I don't mind the green, I just didn't think I did so well. I could be able to fix it a little bit later on, but as for right now, I'm going to let him dry and rest. I've got like 28 of these to do. So I'll be back when I've got it prepped. I didn't turn it on, but this is the second of the magnetic. I'm not going to make all parrots, but I'm making these for the littlest ones. So, parakeets, I guess these are. So I'm going to do some of those little scalloped in the wings again, but I'm going to let him dry. So you got to see me make one completely. And I think that's going to be it for tonight. Just to let you see, what we did is we did a damp, a wet on damp for that in watercolors. I think this is more or less a wet on wet. It doesn't have quite the distinguished marks as the wet on damp. Anyway, that's what I found on the internet. I'm still not a watercolor person. And then for the Christmas magnets, I forgot I had you. There's the first one. And here's the second one. My son has such a big family, he may just have to get a magnetic board. So we'll let those dry, and tomorrow we'll do some more. I need to do a schedule. I haven't done my schedule. Ow. will do a schedule. But you don't get to know what's on. Love you. Hey, subscribe. I might just put a little thing on the beginning. And memberships are very available. And I can't do a live membership video or chat, a live chat for members until I have members. They're not that much. It's $1.99 for the first tier, and it's $3.99 for the second tier. And I'm hoping to do some little hearts that say super friend, and the other one will say super duper friend. So let's get some memberships going. Just click on the join and tell them how much you want, and it'll just come out. It'll come out of whatever you bank or whatever each month automatically. Whatever you use. So see you tomorrow. Love you all. Good night.